Example 15. We see the word or, so we know we're going to have or in our answer. We're going to start on the first inequality, and we notice we have variables on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and move 7n to the left. I move it by subtracting it. That's going to give us negative 4n plus 2 is less than negative 2. To continue solving, we're going to subtract 2 on both sides of the inequality. That gives us negative 4n is less than negative 4. My last step is to divide both sides by negative 4. Because I'm dividing by a negative, I have to remember to flip the inequality symbol. So that's going to give me n. Now I have greater than. A negative and a negative make a positive. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we have n greater than 1 on the first inequality. For our second inequality, again, we notice that we have variables on both sides. So I'm going to move 3n to the left. I'm going to do that by subtracting it. That's going to give me 5n minus 4 is less than or equal to negative 4. We're then going to add 4 to both sides of the inequality. That's going to give us 5n is less than or equal to 0. Our last step is to divide both sides by positive 5. So then we get n is less than or equal to 0. This is our final answer. If we were to graph it on a number line, we would have 0 and we would have 1. 0 has a closed dot because it has an equal to bar. 1 has an open dot because it doesn't have an equal to bar. I know it's n greater than 1, so that's going to go to the right. N less than or equal to 0, so that's going to go to the left. And that's what it would look like graphed on a number line.